During these uncertain times, Lakeland Ford is built to lend a hand. Purchase or lease any new Ford and make no payments till 2021. That's right, you'll make no payments till next year. We're also offering 0% financing for 84 months. Plus, Lakeland Ford will give you a nationwide lifetime warranty, unlimited time, unlimited miles. How's that for peace of mind? Because through it all, Lakeland Ford is here to lend a hand. Come see us today at lakelandford.com. In times like this, Lakeland Hyundai stands with you. Right now, purchase or lease any new Hyundai and make no payments till 2021. That's right, you'll make no payments till next year. We're also offering 0% financing for 72 months across our most popular models. Plus, Lakeland Hyundai will give you a nationwide lifetime warranty, plus complimentary maintenance for 4 years. We call it Lakeland Hyundai Assurance, because through it all, we have your back. Come see us today at lakelandhyundai.com.